Hi everyone, good morning. So, positive emotion leads us and linked to reactions. So, if you have enthusiastic, you see a pathway, valued goals, and that enthusiastic manifests itself neuromatically. It manifests itself as a fatigue motivation to moving forward, and not only if you're moving forward, it's working in your brain and tracks what is really working in itself. So ibig sabihin, pagiging positive emotion natin, ito yung nagbibigay sa atin ng daan para mag-manifest itself kung ano yung gusto natin goal, kung ano yung value goal na gusto natin makuha. When you have this positive emotions, ikaw na mismo yung nagmamanifest kung ano yung gusto mong gawin, yung mind, body, and souls mo, parehas yun, directly moving forward dun sa goal, sa value goal na gusto natin. So, napaka-importante that we have a positive emotions because that's drive us in life para makuha natin yung mga bagay na dapat natin makuha, yung gusto mong makuha, yung dream mo sa buhay. Ito yung nag-move forward sa atin automatically. So, napaka-importante that we have a positive emotions sa lahat ng bagay na ginagawa natin. We put positive emotions in everything we do, and that is automatically connect or links sa reaction ng katawan natin, ng mind natin, ng soul natin. It will link us to whatever the goals that we have in life. At napaka-importante ng positive emotions. So let us put always a positive emotion sa lahat ng bagay na gagawin natin. Kasi ito yung mag-drive, ito yung magbibigay ng power, ito yung magbibigay ng direction sa'yo kung saan mo gustong papunta. Huwag mong sasayangin o hahayaan mo wala yung positive emotions na meron ka. Kasi ito yung mag-fire sa'yo papunta sa gusto mong directions, papunta dun sa goal or dreams na gusto mo. Fire up your positive emotions always in your life.